The European Camcorder of the Year 2014-2015 is the Sony FDR-AX100. Owners of 4K Ultra HD TVs can now create their own 4K content with this feature-packed camcorder. Its Carl Zeiss Vario-Sonnar T lens is joined by a 1-inch Exmor R CMOS sensor and provides a 12 times optical zoom. Several recording modes, 3 ND filter functions and easy-to-use adjustments give the user full control. Other features like the OLED viewfinder, Wi-Fi connection with NFC support and SteadyShot image stabilisation make this camcorder a pleasure to use. For these reasons, it has won the ICER award.